Hey guys, what's up? This is Eclectic Impromptus. I hope you're having a good weekend and a good Saturday. So my husband and I are here at the Beaver Lake Nature Center. Yeah, over here's a pond. Let's see. Go over here real quick. Some pretty yellow flowers here. Some irises in the distance and the frog pond. Oh, it looks like it's all covered up in algae and stuff, but yeah, it's all right. Now, Beaver Lake has at least 8 to 9 different trails, and keep you posted as to which one to come, so expect more video clips. Oh, this is a neat little, this must have become recent. There's a bench with a couple of potted plants. That's really cool. Some sitting areas. I don't remember seeing this, so this is really cool. So over here is the sensory garden. So this is smell. Zoom in a little more. That was a pretty clover flowers from the looks of it, and looks like some pink flowers here. Let's see. This is sight. Yeah, these are really pretty at this time of year, I gotta say. Let's see. Taste. I know a lot of plants are generally toxic, so it's of course good to avoid that, but these are some exceptions, and there's plenty that are harmless, of course. So that's cool that they have this section too. And touch. How about pretty flowers? Yeah, I like these plants in particular, the tiny little flowers, like purple flowers or white flowers or something. We're on one of the trails. I felt a raindrop, but that's okay. The forest community, and you see some of the scenery here. Who knows, maybe we'll find a squirrel or a chipmunk or a bunny, or even a deer. I think I've seen deer here at Beaver Lake a couple of times in the past. Oh, wow, this is so cool. I just saw this on the ground, had to come back and videotape this. Not sure what it is. It looks like a flower, but it's really cool either way. And here's another neat looking setup here with the branches. Sorry, I'm kind of scrolling this a little fast. Just a bunch of dead branches here, but it's kind of a neat setup. There's a deer. Oh, how pretty. Looks like a female deer too. So we're at some sort of lookout point and got a sun, some chalk art. Not sure what that says exactly. It's just, oh, that looks like that was just a bunch of scribble lines, and I'm seeing it's pine trees. It's kind of like they did a scene. That's cool. And then over here, you can see the overall view. On the sign saying look, and then there's a that's cool. Yeah, it's like you see it on the horizon. There's some sort of horizon line. It's kind of cool though. Yeah, here's something you don't see every day. It's like the inside of a tree trunk here. Look, so hollow and stuff. Pretty used to people. Yeah, might be the same deer, but just kind of hanging out. I love deer. So we're on the bog trail, right? And there's these tiny little lily pads, and sometimes you can hear bullfrogs in the distance. That's like a burp, burp. Yeah, get her over there in the distance. Oh, yeah, these are picture plants. So we're on this deckway, and we're floating over a swamp as we walk on this path. Oh, and a cute little purple iris. Here's some more of these picture plants.
These are the pitcher plants down there.
Oh, okay, cool. Kind of look like Venus flytraps almost. Yellow lily on top of these pads. These are picture pads here. And another scene of Beaver Lake. You see the shoreline a little bit. Whew, this wind is coming out. You ever wander through the forest and have a fantasy like scene? This kind of reminds me of this a little bit. Seeing the wind. Holy Toledo. There's a chipmunk. Yeah, the little. Yeah, I don't know where it disappeared to. Sorry about that, folks.
He blends right in, doesn't he?
Yeah, he does. It's a little toad. Yep, he disappeared. Oh, I got a blue jay. There's like a grosbeak. There were goldfinches here earlier, but this blue jay is like one territorial little sucker. I think that's a little. Yeah, that's a grosbeak if I'm not mistaken. Zoom in on him a little closer. Blue jay. Okay, guys, I think this is going to conclude our video. So if you like it, don't be afraid to click like, subscribe, and share. And I will talk to you guys soon. All right, bye-bye.